guys, this is Miss Carla, and today we are with unit number 6, A Better World, part 1. So guys, in this video you're gonna learn some words related to environments, right? And for that reason we are on page 68. A Better World, talk about the environment, planet Earth needs you. And here we have these concepts, okay? So if you have your textbook, please go to page 68, but if you don't have it, don't worry and look at this video, because here I'm gonna explain you the same vocabulary, right? Okay, we're gonna start with this, sustainability. Guys, I'm gonna give you the concepts, but here I have these definitions, and in case you don't understand the word, please read this, okay? So here we go. Sustainability, right? Here you have the information about it. Also, we have conservation. And as you can see here, it says, is the care and protection of these resources so that they can persist for future generations. Also, we have fossil fuels. In Spanish is combustibles fósiles, right? And here you have the information about them. Here we have greenhouse gases. Guys, this concept, greenhouse es invernadero, right? So, estos son los gases del efecto invernadero. Okay? Also, we have tree planting. And as you can see here, it is the process of transplanting trees, right? And this is for forestry or land reclamation, or you can see here, landscaping purpose, okay? Chicos, es cuando uno replanta arbolitos, pero no son las semillas, sino que son como los árboles un poquito más grandes, okay? Here we have wind power, and this is in Spanish, energía eólica, okay? Here we have a very known concept, and it is recycling, okay? So, recycling. And here we have the definition, and it is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects, okay? Here we have deforestation, and deforestation is the removal of trees, okay? Here we have this picture here with this deforestation. Here we have public transportation, and it includes buses, light rail, and here we have subways, or I don't know, all kinds of public transportation, okay? Here we have global warming. This is a known concept also, and this is calentamiento global, right? Here we have earth, water, land, pollution. Okay, pollution is this. Do you see this gray thing here? This is the pollution. Es la contaminación, right? So we can find earth pollution, water pollution, or land pollution. Here we have some animals, and they are endangered species, right? These are animals in danger, okay? Peligro de extinción. Here we have landfill waste, right? And here we have waste is material which has been used and is no longer wanted, right? In Spanish es desperdicio. And landfill is the place where you leave this waste. So it's gonna be de vertedero, right? Here we have energy saving. Energy saving in Spanish es ahorro de energía, right? And you have to do it. Here we have climate change. And here we have, it is the global phenomenon of climate transformation characterized by the changes in the usual climate of the planet, okay? So here we have some different states of this change. Here we have very hot temperatures, right? And this is climate change, el cambio climático. We have solar energy, very similar to Spanish. And here we have, guys, some key language. Guys, here we are talking about word families, okay? And here we have the root of the word. Look at here, we have conserve and conservation. But these words are different because one is a verb and the other one is a noun. But they have a root in common. Do you see? Conserve, conservation. Tenemos una palabra que es raíz. Una parte de la palabra es la raíz. Y si nosotros agregamos un prefijo o un sufijo, esta palabra va a poder cambiar. For example, here we have the verb conserve, but if we have the suffix ation, it's going to be a noun. Conserve, conservation. Contaminate, contamination. Pollute, pollution. Destroy, destruction. Protect, protection. Emit, emission. And vary, variation. Okay? Yeah, this part is very important, guys. We're gonna be learning about present perfect progressive, right? And we're gonna use it to emphasize the length of actions, as you can see here, that have begun in the past, but they continue in the present. Okay? And here in this structure, you're gonna see some things that you know already. Or you already know, like this. For example, we have affirmative sentences, and we have the subject, I, you, we, you, and they. Also, we have, do you remember these? And been. But also, we have to add the verb in ing. So it's gonna be, for example, we have been protesting. In Spanish, it's something like, hemos estado protestando. Have, hemos o has, been estado, right? He, she, it, has. Remember these. You have to make a difference between these subjects and these subjects, okay? With I, you, we, you, and they, we're gonna use have, and with he, she, and it, has. But with all of them, or both of them, we're gonna use been. Have, been, and the verb in ing. Okay? Examples. I've been protesting today. I've been going to the movies a lot with Harry. Do you see? Subject be or have, been, and the verb in ing. Okay? Also, we have negative sentences. It's basically the same, but here we are going to add not. So it's going to be I, you, we, you, they haven't been, and the verb with ing. So, haven't been protesting. He, she, and it hasn't been protesting. Okay? So remember, we have the subject, then we have haven't or hasn't, been, and the verb in ing. Okay? We have some examples here, or one example, and it says, she hasn't been working today. We have to use has because here we have she, but we are gonna add not because it's a negative sentence, so she hasn't been working today, right? Okay, also we have this, interrogative sentences and short answers. Guys, as you can remember, with have and has, we're gonna start our sentences using them. With this, here with these subjects, we're gonna use have. Have I, you, we, you, they been protesting? Or for example, have you been protesting? Has she been protesting? Do you see here we have he, she, and it? So we're going to start with has. And also been and verb ing. Here we have short answers, right? And we're going to include yes, the subject, and have. Or no, the subject, and haven't. And the same here. Yes, he, she, and it has. Or no, he, she, and it hasn't. Okay? That's all with that. So here we have the structure. Have, has, and subject. Also, we have to include been. Okay? We must include it. Debemos incluir been. Y el verbo con ing. Example, have you been studying? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Right? I like this. Have you been studying? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Also, we have this. How long? And we're gonna use it like this. How long have you been living here? Do you see? And we're gonna use it to ask how long an action which started in the past and continues in the present has lasted. Ha durado. Que yo quiero saber, cuando yo quiero saber cuánto ha durado algo, yo pregunto usando how long. How long has she been working here? She's been working here for 3 years. Okay, that's all with this. So, thanks for watching. Please study those concepts. And as I always say, if you have any doubt, just tell me. Okay, bye.